Listen, I don't want to hear it. Okay, just grab your jugs. It's time to go check the rainwater barrel, and we need to collect some rainwater because you know what today is? It's watering day. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're nice and full. Let's just check the inside of the barrel and see how it's going. All right, we're looking good. We're nice and full. The water is pretty clean because it's been cycling itself out with the amount of rain that we've been having. No towel today. Right. And we're ready. Let's go.